Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love high-performance tech and gaming laptops that deliver insane value for your money, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and affordable gaming laptops of 2025, the 16-inch gaming laptop computer powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5825U running Windows 11 Pro. We'll cover performance, design, display, graphics, connectivity, and real-world gaming tests, and I'll share why this could be one of the best Amazon deals of the year. If you're ready, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and discounts. Let's start with the design. This 16-inch laptop strikes a perfect balance between sleek aesthetics and practical performance. It has a slim, lightweight aluminum body that feels premium and sturdy, perfect for gamers, students, or professionals on the go. The backlit keyboard is another highlight. It's responsive, quiet, and comfortable, perfect for late-night gaming sessions or productivity work. And yes, it's customizable lighting, so you can game in style even in dark environments. Overall, this isn't just a machine, it's a statement piece for 2025. Now let's talk visuals. You're getting a 16-inch full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, giving you crystal clear clarity and rich and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming Netflix in 1080p, editing videos, or gaming, the IPS level panel ensures great viewing angles and consistent color accuracy. For gamers, this means sharper detail and smoother motion, especially when paired with Radeon Graphics. This setup easily handles modern titles like GTA 5, Valorant, League of Legends, and even Cyberpunk 2077 at medium settings, smooth and stutter-free. Under the hood, this laptop runs on the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse clocked up to 4.5 GHz. That means you're getting incredible multitasking capability, blazing fast processing, and efficient thermal control. Paired with a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD, this laptop boots up in seconds and loads games, apps, and large projects instantly. Whether you're gaming, coding, video editing, or live streaming, this machine delivers desktop-class performance in a portable form. And thanks to Windows 11 Pro, you get faster app switching, smoother performance, and better system security. Let's not forget the graphics. The integrated AMD Radeon Graphics chip is highly optimized for gaming and creative work. While it's not a discrete GPU like RTX, it punches way above its weight, delivering excellent frame rates for esports titles and smooth rendering for creative apps like Photoshop, Blender, and Premiere Pro. You can easily enjoy games like Fortnite, Valorant, and CS2 at 60+ FPS in 1080p resolution. It's the perfect setup for gamers who want solid performance without spending thousands of dollars. Connectivity is another win. You get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for lightning-fast wireless performance, perfect for online gaming, streaming, or connecting peripherals. There are multiple USB ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and even a fast charging port. Battery life is solid too, up to 8 hours of mixed use, and with fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in under 40 minutes. This makes it an excellent companion for work, travel, or gaming marathons. After testing it for gaming, productivity, and entertainment, here's the verdict. Blazing speed with Ryzen 7 and 32 GB RAM. Massive 1TB SSD storage. Beautiful 16-inch full HD display. Solid built-in backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2 for modern connectivity. This laptop checks all the boxes for students, creators, and gamers who want flagship-level performance without the flagship price tag. If you're searching for a powerful gaming laptop under budget on Amazon in 2025, this one deserves your attention. So, what do you think about the Gaming Laptop Computer 2025 edition? Would you use it for gaming, editing, or everyday work? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, the Amazon link is right below this video for the latest price and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we explore more powerful tech deals and Amazon finds for 2025.